बिल्कुल अभी हम जीते हैं तो मैं तो तैयार ही हूँ. तो अपॉर्चुनिटी जब भी आएगा तो रेडी रहूँगा. See, I don't think it was a break. He was out of the team. So when you are out of the team, you have that fire inside you. You have that, burning desire where you want to make a comeback and prove yourself rather than proving anyone else. I think he has proved himself in this tournament that he's much, much better than what he was before. And he came in the first game. I clearly remember he flew the night before and played a game against Bangladesh and got 4 wickets. And even today, if you see, he didn't bowl his 10 overs, but his batting, his fielding abilities are very, very crucial to the team. I think what he did on the field today, that run out, I think that was a turning point, and that is something that gave us, a way to come back into the game. I think that run out was crucial, and he knows that, and also as a team we understand that what sort of a player he is and what he brings to the table. His batting again today, although he made 25 odd runs, but it was so crucial. I would say it was as good as 50 because in the context of the match, if you see that those 26 runs were as good as scoring a 50 or a 60. For us as a captain or as a coach, we got to make sure that they have that liberty to go and play their game, not to feel any pressure. And of course, I've led India before, not for a while, but just one-off tournament. So I understand the dynamics of this team, how we play cricket, and how we want to go forward as a team. So I think taking everything into consideration, we wanted to move forward. And I think in this tournament, I can clearly say that we ticked all boxes here, and that is the challenge for us now when we go and play wherever we play. That is the challenge for us to keep continuing to tick those boxes and get better as a team. सी देखिए धोनी भाई से हम हमेशा सीखते रहते हैं क्योंकि इतने अच्छे कप्तान रहे. तो फील्ड में जब भी अगर कुछ अड़चन होती थी या कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते थे तो वो हमेशा होते थे वहाँ पर आंसर करने के लिए. जो मैंने उनको देखा है कप्तानी करते हुए इतने सालों से, वो पैनिक नहीं होते. अब डिसीजन लेने के लिए 2 सेकंड सोचते, उसके बाद डिसीजन लेते. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो सिमिलैरिटी मेरे में भी है. मैं भी कोशिश करता हूँ कि सोचूं और फिर रिएक्ट करूँ, क्योंकि यस 50 ओवर खेल रहे हो आप, काफ़ी टाइम होता है, बट फिर भी आपको टाइम लेना ज़रूरी है. और आई थिंक उनको देख देख कर हमने ये चीज़ सीखा है. इतने सालों से हम उनके अंडर खेलते आए, तो वो हमेशा जब भी कुछ होता है तो वो हमेशा एडवाइस के लिए रेडी रहते.
Obviously, when Dhoni gets out, we thought that we have a great chance. But at the same time, as I told before, that spinner has to be ball well in that time because we have been 4-5 overs short. We knew that our spinners has a big role, and also Jadeja was batting that particular time. So any of off spinners could have been ball well, and this scenario could have been different because we knew that Mustafiz and Rubel ball so well. If we can start Mustafiz and Rubel from 46th over, I think even 25 runs we could have been different because they got the variations. But I think in that time, particular time, our spinners wasn't been accurate.